Alam po niya ka slim.
I can just imagine when
Los, she's got already had one grandchild. She got 4 children. She's got 2 grandchild. And how many? Three kids.
3 children.
Si Lourdes, yung kamukha ko.
And Lourdes, one
Anak.
of my friends too, got 9
July.
grandchildren. Where's that Lourdes?
It's fine.
I don't know, where's she living now?
Where is Lourdes?
Tayo diluan.
Brook Island na siya. Brook Island na siya.
No.
Hindi sa
After Consolacion. Sa Mandaue, Consolacion.
takes
Going
pa
north.
Traffic mo na nga party na.
Kung sa there's a new
Sa may
SM.
maayo din nakuhaan ka ng mga murag new develop ang nila mahal nga. Uy, anan. Magpasiyo mo ko next time maybe?
Yeah, you can stay in Cebu for
We're
like
planning.
how many days?
Silor ba? No? Mapag ka
You stay for good.
Lugi-lugi?
We're thinking about it.
Kasi pa siya papundo.
And my daughter said, if it is stay in Cebu, must we spend so hard to go?
Dito?
Yeah, because there's Cebu, Singapore.
Yes.
Lots of promos.
She almost fainted when she saw the ship was so small with the waves were so bright. She got scared.
Not fun. And then Eagle cancel.
Ma, I picture Yan Yan because she looked so scared when she saw the boat was so small.
That one smaller than the one that comes in.
You don't know how to swim yet?
She knows, but a little bit only.
A little bit.
No, I can swim better now.
That's good.
Better, huh?
Masa mo na
Sa loob.
sa puting lagi.
Ay, puting.
Dito na biyo.
Hindi naman ka night.
Three nights.
Okay, sa mga. Meals, at least sa ato ba, may makabisita dito, makuha ko na naman tayo.
Nanay cook din.
Oo, bitaw.
Una, problema sa mga.
Naapoy sa mga singkod.